It's a what? It's an object-oriented programming type of programming language. So mawenza uJava, you are doing an object-oriented programming. Normal, yeah, object-oriented design, whatever that is. But if you understand this, Java essentially, because you'll be dealing with objects. Might say oriented. Yes, this object-oriented. You are focusing on what? On objects. You must know when what are objects. Asiqalelani naye sayibona ngisho nangu Google for example. Mangacofa lana print kuzowenzakalani? Imagine if I just press print, what will happen? Print ngisho. Something will happen. Maybe if I search an image on Google, I search University of Zululand, the most beautiful university ever, and I say yes. How? Yes, it is, guys. You should be proud to Balan. This is going to be the most beautiful ever. Nama academics. So manga lapha ngithi Google, ngisearch lapha ngithi I search something, I go ahead and I say uthi University of Zululand. It's going to direct me to another page actually if I search something like Google. So kwenzakalana hlahle lapho. So when you press something, it behaves in a certain way. Sayabona leyo nto ngisho. So mawucofa something yenza njani? It behave ngendlela ethile. For example, nje mangacofa le button kuzoba blank. The slide is now black. So it behaves in a certain way. So hlahle lento le esipressayo, we call it an object. For illogical understanding, let's just say into icofayo lapha sibiza ngani? Nge-object. For example, mawungacofa uprint kanjena, so to cofe ini, ucofe object. Sayabona ngisho. And then leyo object izanjani? Izobehave in a certain way. That is the basic of programming. Ukuzukhande yonke into ekhona lana, you are just dealing with those methods. You are just dealing with those objects. So in leli object ebehave ngayo sibiza ngani? Nge-method. So when you're talking about a method, you're talking about what? The way an object behaves. For example, if I press print lana, what would happen? It should do something angisho. That's the behavior. The behavior sibiza ngani? Nge-method. I-method implementwa kwini? Kwi-object. Sayabona ngisho. So you pass a method on an object. Let's use terms manje. You pass a method, something like that. But in method you do what? You pass it. When I press print, it opens something else. So that's the method that is being passed. So ihamba kanjani ke manje object oriented programming here. So sithe lama methods lawo siwa implementa kwini? Kuma objects angisho. And then lawo ma objects ke siwathola lapha lawo ma objects. We find them in a what? In a class. So with Java we've got something that is known as what? As a class. So i-class inani phakathi inama objects. Lawo zoyenza kuwo ini? Ama methods. Siyabona leyo nto ngisho. And then lawo ma classes atholakala laphi? They are found they are pegged in a package. So khona into esibiza ngani? Nge-package. I-package, it consists of different types of classes. So enye nenye class ikhanda into ehlukahlukene. Ukuze sikwazi ukukhanda nje le design lesi. I want to see this shape engathi ibhokisi leli. This box like shape. For us to design le box like shape, we need a certain class create kuyo ama object wethu. Ukuze sikwazi ukukhanda lo Google nje omncane kanjena simfakele abokhala kanjena. We need a what? We need a class. Esokhanda kuyo ini? Ama objects. Bese kulawo ma objects enze ini? Ama method ahlukahlukene. Sayibona ngisho. Yes. That's how it works. And then ke lawo ma classes they are found in a package. And then ke lawo ma packages they are found in what? In libraries. So just know the hierarchy. I-methods implementa kwini? Kwi-object. I-object itholakala kwini? Kwi-class. I-class itholakala kwini? Kwi-package. Package itholakala kwini? Kwi-library. Do you understand the logic mangabuza? Siyayizi logic lena. Le logic le it will carry you to the integrated development environment. So sebenzisa Eclipse ke to show what we are talking about. What's an object? What's a class? You are going to see it in real life. Now, all right. Now, sayabona class yethu we've created it, right? So ibhalweni lapha phezulu class yethu is written public class Philani Cross. Yabona the name of the class lapha is what? Philani Cross. And then that class will contain ama main method. So we put ama main method. Do we need to import uJava lang? No, it's a default package. So iyazingenela yodwa. Iyona nje inama main method nani nani. So lana ke ku Java ke you can do white spaces. White spaces are allowed. So Java is not sensitive to ama white space. Yep. Java lang is default seyikhona already, yes. So le class lena is already under ubani uJava lang, a default package iyazingenela yodwa. So uJava ke awunandawo nezipace, nanoma ngafaka izipace eziningi kanjeni vuleke futhi. Sayabona ngisho white space, we say it's known as a what? A white space. So ama white space they just make iprogram yakho ibe njani? Ibe neater. I've already answered another quiz question again. So white spaces make the program to be neater. Hey, what are these projection things gonna cost us? Fine. So lana ke, let's look at what is an object. How do you create an object under a class and what? So basically, a class yami nangu uphilani cross. There are many things you can do in a class. A class they usually say it's a what? It's a template, something like that. It's a blueprint, into kanjalo, it's a blueprint. But ziningi izinto ongazenza ku class. Ngenza noma yini oyifunayo. Int a is equals to 3. But see, with Java, you always put a semicolon after writing something. So you will see la kuzovela la mathus. Int a is equals to 3 angisho. You must always put a what? A semicolon. Wangayifaki semicolon, problem. Sayabona ngisho. The moment you don't put a semicolon, then you know see it's gonna give you an error there. The 3 is gonna be highlighted. So put a semicolon. Ungayinaki le error le ka yellow, just simply means ukuthi asikaqala ukusebenzisa lo a lo. So lo int a is a variable. Maybe I can create another variable. Say is known as a int my variable, my var kanjeni. Ngithi the variable is 4. So now I've created ama variables out too. Sayabona ngisho. Okay, siyabona sonke. All right. So now I can do many things with my variables. I can try to print out and what. I just want to show you into esiyenza ku basic. I can call this function esibiza nani no system.out println. Bese ngithi ngicela ungiprintela u-a plus the variable my var. All of them are integers. Mangathi print u-a plus my var. Ayikho error la u-a uyi-integer ngisho u3. Basically it's a primitive type. So my var ubani u4. What do you expect the outcome to be then? 6. What? Oh, says 7, right? And then if you're just gonna run the code yakho, okay, it's just going to give you the outcome online. And in this case, the outcome yakho izovela entweni esibiza ngani nge-console. So we have got a console in Java. Your result izovela somewhere here. This is not as a what? As a console. So our console is showing us the result. So yonke code esizoyenza masirana sothola ini izozivelela ku console. But as we learn further, obviously we're gonna do more complicated things. Siqala ukuyikhandela thina ama window of our own. But for now we are using the console. So this is system.out.println a plus my var. I get to 7. All right, sharp. This is basic. Let's talk about real things, which are objects, right? Hey, because I don't know what should I say in my class. In with class lam. Give me something to say. What should I say in the class? Funa ukuzama ukhanda ama objects la khona so. Okay, ngithini student. Isho student. Student is a string in. So string student semicolon. Noma should I instantiate anything? Funa abantu bakwazi uyikhandela bodwa ama class. Student semicolon. So I've said ukuthi I'm naming a string as a student. Yini le variable lesingakhoda. This is a variable. This is the type of the variable. unganaki le error lane izo fade away. And then what else should I do to the student? Ngimenzeni mina umfundi? Student number. An integer. An integer. Student number, some what type must it be? String, akhona. Okay, so you want a numerical string. String student number. Should I put a space lan? What else mangafaki space kanjeni? No, it's a Java identifier, it's illegal. So whatever I name in Java, I put a what? I put a something to bind amagama angabi no space. All right, student number. All right, so what else should I say to my class? Ayikhuleki khona semicolon. Nguthi nje le computer le nto le ayikayiboni nje usikhona. What else should I say on my student? Hours. Okay. Data type. Int. Okay. Pick int and says hours studying. Kanjeni. Are you satisfied? It double. Okay, it's fine. It's your choice. You are the one instantiating the variables here. So, how? Isala? Hey, Nkosi yami. Yunizulu senzani bo? Hi. Nayi lento ebengiyibhala. So, this is string double hour studying. Okay. So let's keep it minimum. What else should you want to do on your class? Nothing else. Should we close it? I often show something. It's an open panel. And this cross night is an open panel. TP. Oh, even in type. Double TP. Yabuzi qualify yini? Computers opposite, did you qualify? Hey, double TP, here we go. So it's a slowly a bit land, but I type an island. All right, so we are done with our class. So under class 8, we put these variables: student number, hours studying, and UTP. Right? All right, sharp, we are done. Now we want to make use of our class. What do you want to do to our class? Say ikoni class. What do you want to do? No, I can't for no reason. Send and go class. Under a class, when you still saying that going. What do we do under a class? Yep. See? Yes. Okay. Cool. Alright, ngicela uyireserve leyo kancane because sesongena ku if else. Hey, umuntu avela athi yini if else singayiboni method. Alright, asiboneni ke kuqala the elements of our class here. Lo student lona, a variable you can treat it as an object, kahle. You know a variable you can treat it as an object, right? Yes, a variable can be an object because Java is an object-oriented programming. So, njengoba student, no student number, no hours studying, all of them you can say they are what? They are your objects. And what do you do to your objects? You do some method. Okay, as many farmer values are just to these variables. Let's just make them as objects. For example, sesiboneni ukuthi le nto engihlanganisayo lana, is it going to hlangana? mhlampe ngikhande i-student object. And is it showing anything here? Wait. Student object, show student object, please. And then, mangifuna ukhanda i-object, I just say under a class we do what? We make objects, right? When you want to form a new object under a class, which operator do you use? New operates. Naye enye question ekuquiz. When ubhala new kanjena, uzobona uzovela la. Mangizobhala new kanjena, I'm trying to say, I'm trying to create an object under what? Under a class. New is an operator, so automatically it's just going to become ban, just going to become a purple kanjena. And then mangithe new lapha, what else should I say? I must repeat the class name again. Kanjena, Philani Cross. Kanjena. Right, I want to explain instantiating an object. Yeah, vela. So what did I do, Lana? I've created an object, right? I've created what? An object under a class. I-class I'm saying it defined lapha phezulu ukuthi izoba no student or string, even a student number esi string nakhona. And then even our studies as it double, even not DP as one as it double. Now I want to create an object under the class. So when I should say objects, they are created under a class. So an object, you can define it as a what? As an instance of a class. Because some terms like my question. An object is a what? Is an instance of a class. So now, and then to be able to instantiate is an instance again. So to be able to create an object, no matter to be able to instantiate an object, I must mention the class name. So this is the class name, ubani, uphilani cross, angish. Then the name of the object, was student. You can name it whatever that you want. Then again, you say new, I'm trying to create a student object under the what? Under the Philani Cross class. So man say new Philani Cross kanjena, I've created a new object. Now you can assign values if you want to assign values, but you can always treat our variables as objects, always. Now let's just try to use our method to get an idea. So I want to learn a class name. This is the class name. This is the object name. This is equal, assignment operates. This is the new keyword. A new keyword is used to do what? Instantiate an object. No matter create an object under a class. They say again, you repeat the class name again. You put parentheses. Should sources can delete object to student lapaya. And say you can pass different types of method on a what? On an object. Should say you can do many methods on that object. There are many methods already in the main method. So let's just say string student is what is a what is the student name? Thembinkosi. Yeah, type in lento Thembinkosi. Kumele semicolon afterwards, right? So the student, I'm going to say it is what? It is, let's just call it student 1. So I'm going to say string student 1, bese ngithini is Thembinkosi. Bese lo Thembinkosi ke manje, I wanted to do certain methods, right? So there are methods that you can pass on this as an object. Each and every variable, you can just treat it as an object. It works as an object according to the object oriented. So mangathatha lo student 1 la ku program yami. Student 1. Ukuze ngikwazi ukwenza ukuthi lo student 1 behave in a certain way, what should I do to call a method? I use into esiyibiza ngani? Nge-dot operator. Shuthi ahlahle kulo student 1, if I want to do a certain method on it, I'm going to put a what? A dot. So mangizobha vele ngibhala u-dot kanjena, I'm going to call different types of methods that I can call. So we'll go back to this thing, instantiate our objects. So Lana, when I put a dot operator, I'm doing what? I'm calling a method, right? So I'm trying to say with the student 1 lona, lo Thembinkosi lona, I want it to behave in a certain way. These are the main methods as now. That's why lapha when we created public static void main string. Lo main lona we're talking about what? Main methods, right? So lama main methods, example, it is these ones that you can see here. There are many methods, no matter there are many behaviors that you can do on this particular on this particular student one. This is one method that you know. One method that you know. This is chapter 3 manje. What's one method that you know? Okay, we'll only do these ones that you're doing for equals because mining are my methods. I've started the simplest one. E-character 8. Now, alright, just going to show manje. Char 8. This method, you find it in chapter 3. When you are given something, such as a string engine, multi char 8. What does the char mean? Just say what type is this? Character. A character is usually a single name. So character 8. La yini sifakayo la phakathi la kuno 0 khona. I-index. I-index yini is a position. Uthi ahlahle ufuna i-character at position number bani. Siyayibona ngisho. So lana ke kulo Themba Inkosi okuyi student one sam. They'll just treat it as an object because vele everything's an object. Object oriented programming. So lo Themba Inkosi, I want to try to see ukuthi mhlambe at position number 3, what is the character there? Siyayibona ngisho masinga counter, this is 1 2 3. So at position number 3 kumele kube character bani? E. So I sit in at position number 3. So character at 3, fagini, so semicolon, right? And then again, now we have passed this method, right? Says the passing method yet. But again, e-console won't do anything until you print it, right? So let's just print this. Student 1. Ish. Java, this is just a small letter S. This is a capital letter S. It's now a problem. It cannot identify this. But my thing for capital letter S. Student is student ngesiZulu. Student 1 dot character 8. Is it the correct method engipalayo la? Dot, right? Dot character 8 position 3 at index 3 kanjeni. Asesiboneni ukuthi if we run this, does it do anything without printing? Let's see. If it doesn't do anything, then we'll print it. Console is not doing anything. So it means we need to print this. Thina maso printer character at 3, sithemba ukuthi sothola ubani? U-E, right? So we have passed a method onto this object, student 1. So I'm just going to copy this. Ngifake kwi system print out. So I will say system dot out dot print line. And then you get this student 1 a character 3 kanjeni. Alright, Naku. So if I print this, what do I expect? You see, izongineza ini the character value at what? At 3. Hopefully there is no error there because it's not giving us any error. So let's run this and try to see. Bukan, ingeza ubani? U-M. Is it? Character at 3. Alright, so should see index here is starting at what? At 0. Sayibona ngisho. So character at 1 ubani? Or character at 0 ubani? With C. Character at 1 U-H. Character at 2 U-E. At 3 U-M. So when you say character 8, this is a method. It's telling something how to behave. So in this case, we are telling our student 1 to behave in such a way that it gives us the character. It's bani at position 3. Akhona ama method amaningi lapha ku chapter 3, but this is an example. Sayibona ngisho. So there are many different types of methods that you can do here. You can do the method that is known as to uppercase. Here it is. So to uppercase. So I can take 9 method this is to uppercase. Uppercase ama capital letter ngisho. So I method yamangati student 1 dot to uppercase. Asesiboneni ukuthi can it give me anything? If I say print le statement less, ngi expect ukuthi izenza njani? What will it do? Lo Themba Inkosi uzobhala kanjani if I put it in the if I print this out? Uzoba ngani? Capital letters angisho. So asesiboneni ukuthi is it going to do that? Let's run the program. Now Themba Inkosi is telling the student 1 Themba Inkosi to behave in certain ways. Yabona? So he's telling Themba Inkosi to be capital letters only. So our methods nje are just behaviors on what that you can implement on objects. Sayabona ngisho. But the object yakho is always under a class. Here in this case, for example, lana in this case, our class here vele sithe siname as uphilani.course. So there's not really a need to look in the new object, because our class is already named there as Philani. So everything is happening under the class. So you can continue doing many other methods also abona lapho, but ilogic ikanjeni. Sayibona object oriented programming kanjani ngisho. So you are only working with methods and objects most of the times. You are just doing different methods. You can give a method to add two numbers and create a calculate. You can give a method to take a picture and take a picture. You can give a method for this to record kanjeni. Yes, that's how you tell the machine. You tell the computer. But if you have an error, what will happen? Let's just say mhlampe ngikhipha I semicolon. If I run this, is it going to run? No, it has got an error. So what will happen? It will be a compilation error. It's a what? It's a compilation problem. No, it's a compilation error. I should say compiler is the one that takes the Java code angisho. They say I change by bytecode. But it can only change to bytecode if there are no errors. Wafaki error ke wena yakshis. Now you have to throw some exceptions if you are in that case. But yeah, those are methods, those are objects. Let's say I want to see methods, objects angisho. Should say we have done the basic. The rest of wonke into esazoyenza, we're just working around methods, objects, methods, objects, methods, objects, classes. Sesiyobona, how many types of classes do we know?